So long we are discussing reflection of light. What is reflection? That if you have a mirror, when light from an object, say 2 rays of light are coming, then they get reflected, and if you produce backward, then it appears to come from this. This is called the image. Image is something which is formed by either the rays of light appearing to diverge from it, or when rays of light converge to a point, it produces a real image. So, this is an object and this is an image. But what is refraction of light? Refraction of light is if there are 2 mediums. So, this is air and this is water. Then what happens? If a ray of light comes on it, then some part of it is get reflected and some part of it gets refracted. And if you draw a perpendicular, and if this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction, and this is called angle of reflection, they are so equal, I is equal to I dashed. But in this case, as it is refracted, so various phenomena happens. Let us see the experiment first, then I will explain. Now, we have a small bowl and I have a coin. Now, when I place this coin here, I cannot see this. Can you see this? You cannot also see this. Now, if I pour some water in this, now see something is going to happen. Now, I can also see the coin, and can you see the coin? You can also see the coin, maybe partially, does not matter. Why you can see the initially you cannot see it, why you can see it now? See, let us consider this is the water. Consider water is not being poured. I have placed this coin here. Now, if my eye is here somewhere, say on this side, somewhere here. No, I should change this. Let the bowl is like this, and the coin is somewhere here, and my eye is somewhere here. When rays of light is coming, it is obstructed by this bowl. So, I cannot see this coin. But if I pour water on this, what happens? The ray of light which come over here, as we have seen in the previous picture, that when light gets refracted, it bends towards the denser medium. This part is a denser medium, water, and that is the rarer medium, that means air, rarer medium. So, when from denser you go to rarer, it goes away from the perpendicular distance. So, if this is the normal, so it bends towards the eye, and now you see, you can see, but where you see it? If you consider the other rays are coming, then actually what happened? The apparently you see this coin at this position. That means, because of this medium, the coin actually shifted from this position to this position, and so that you can see it. This is because of the refraction of light. And another thing I can add, the actual depth of the coin was this much, but now after pouring the water, it has gone up to certain distance, and this is called the real depth, and this depth is called apparent depth. So, from real depth and apparent depth, if we take the ratio of real depth divided by apparent, it gives a constant for a particular pair of medium, air and in this case water, and that is called refractive index. Normally, it is given a symbol of mu, but for you in most of the books this is replaced by n. N is also sometimes represents the refractive index. What is refractive index? It gives that how much it will be raised. So, real depth by apparent depth gives you the refractive index of the medium. So, from this we get an idea that because of the refraction, the coin which was not originally visible, now I can see, you can also see that this is this, you can see this thing.